Gweike MCore, the world's first desktop fiber plus CO2 laser cutting system. Conquer more materials and bring DIY into the metal era. One machine, dual lasers, built for both metal and non-metal. 400-watt fiber laser, built for metal. Large 711 by 411 millimeter working area. Cuts stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, brass, and more. Cuts metal up to 5 millimeters thick. High-speed servo motors plus precision linear guides. Speeds up to 1,200 millimeters per second. Smoother and more stable motion. Clean, burr-free edges. Professional-grade performance. 80-watt CO2 laser with precise energy control. Optimized for non-metal materials. Especially effective for cutting clear acrylic. Handles leather, wood, and more. Cuts acrylic up to 20 millimeters thick. Up to 2 times faster than conventional CO2 lasers. Max tube diameter, 150 millimeters. Z travel up to 100 millimeters. Push your creativity further. Expand your business opportunities. Unlock multiple revenue streams. This is more than cutting and engraving. This is a redefinition of quality and visual impact. Intelligent material library. Preset parameter packages. Let beginners achieve professional results in one click. Handles complex geometries with ease. Supports micro joint cutting. Reduces warping and part drop-off. Lead in and lead out. Internal cuts start inside. External cuts start outside. For smoother edges and cleaner results. From makers and workshops to light industrial production, empowering you to create more. Pass-through design for long materials. External support for processing extra long sheets. Simply feed through for continuous processing. Handles extra long jobs with ease. Large working area, virtually unlimited length. Creativity without limits. Move from outsourcing to in-house production, up to 3 times more profit. High-efficiency fume extraction, designed for safe operation in homes and studios. Handles fine engraving with ease. Rotary Axis plus linear guide structure. Process cups, cylinders, and curved surfaces with minimal setup. 360 degrees seamless engraving. One machine, endless possibilities. Built for creators, ready for business. More than a machine, it's your next profit engine.